You forgot to ask her.
Such a legend director.
I'm getting nervous, sir.
You?
Yes.
Sir.
One wrong question and you will not do his film.
Yeah. Sir, my question is, between Salman and me, who's the real Sikandar?
Sikandar is already I done, sir. So Sikandar is.
Salman is the real Sikandar.
Sir.
I'm going home here. I heard of
क्या ना इसके बाद तेरे साथ कलंदर बना लेते हैं ना हाँ मस्त कलंदर
Mast Kalandar. He is the real Sikandar.
Is in the film is a Sikandar.
I'm joking. Of course, he is the Sikandar.
in real life
कुछ गलत नहीं बोलना. कुछ गलत नहीं बोलना.
he's Sikandar real life he's Sikandar
अच्छा मैनेज किया. So, sir, who's a better dancer between Salman and me?
sir with the ribs broken also tell me who's better dancer
Sir, who's a better dancer?
So he broken his. So that time.
Sir, he breaks his ribs, he breaks other people's ribs. I'm not asking that. Who's better dancer? Salman.
There is one holy song, sir. In the end credit also.
He's danced
Yeah,
well.
in Becca you did well, very well, sir.
No, but
Becca,
who's
sir.
better dancer? He's better dancer.
No, not like that,
I
sir.
think so, even I think so. So he's Sikandar, he's better dancer. Who's better action, sir? He's better in action.
Action, sir.
Again, he's better than action.
So you ask
Sir,
me the
I'm
same
useless,
kind of
sir. You are
questions.
not.
So you ask me the same question in this side only, sir.
who's better actor who's more hardworking who's more sincere
All the boring things. Huh? All the boring things. No, no, sir. Acting
Only
actor
one, sir.
also, he's better. Have you seen that?
The crying and all,
Dabang?
sir. Crying
Or he
scene,
does it
emotional
very well,
scene.
yeah.
So without glycerin, yeah.
I also
cries.
do without this.
that is because of you sir that is because I just see you and I just see like, oh
When he
my
sees you, he
God.
feels like crying, sir.
Oh my God, look at this guy. Old Sikandar's bows on his head. And he's got to go back to his wife and child. And then come back in the day again. And again have to tolerate me on set.
No, but I've seen his emotional scenes are outstanding.
Yeah, yeah. So for only close up, silent shot crying is very difficult to act, sir. When with the other actors, with the dialogue,
It's easier to
it is easier to cry. When only close up, some voiceover, AD is giving some voiceover, so you suddenly crying. And slowly with the dialogue, it's coming out, the tears coming out.
He's done that in this film
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Wow. Who's the actress in the film?
Rashmika
Rashmika,
Mandanna.
Rashmika.
Very effective.
Yeah?
Very
Good actor.
Yeah, very good, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very hardworking. She's amazing, this girl. I remember in Hyderabad also, she was shooting with us from 7 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the morning. And she used to get ready for, I think, Pushpa, she was shooting at that point.
Fever also, sir.
Yeah, Fever also. Pushpa, she was shooting. She used to shoot all day for Pushpa. And she used to come back and shoot with us. So the only time that she used to get is the driving time in the car from one location to other. That reminded me of my starting of
Early days.
We have all done it. We've all done
2
it.
shifts, 3 shifts. How many songs, sir? in the film?
So we have 4 songs, sir.
4 songs.
Songs also turned out good. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, one song with I broke my ribs and then we put it, we shoot the shot the next day.
Oh,
I couldn't sit, I couldn't stand, I couldn't cough, I couldn't laugh, nothing. So, वो जो step है,
In the moment itself,
Yeah.
he did like that, sir.
Yeah. No, it came it came like that. So I said, चलो, just for X's sake.
When all the dances,
Actually ये था, ऐसा कुछ था. बस ये कर दो बे, चलो ये.
all the dances.
all are doing same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it a very challenging film to shoot, this one?
Yeah, sir. So railway station we shot night to day. So we had to security issues there. So we had to take the real location, 200 people,
Right.
full building,
Right.
everyone watching in the building.
Right.
So,
Yeah, security का तामझाम काफी था because real locations थे, outdoor था, so we had to be very careful.
yeah.
But yeah, the grace of God went on.
चलो अच्छा हो गया. I'm glad it's gone off well. किसके साथ काम करके मजा आया? Who did you like working with better? Me or Salman? All honest answers.
Yeah, it's very easy question, sir.
It's easy. What is the answer?
Me.
Who was better to work with?
Both.
Easy question. Answer is both.
Sir, you can't do that.
Thoda sa. Little bit. Who gave you less trouble?
Sir.
Who gave you less trouble?
Acha, who came on set on time?
Sir.
That's why I asked you the question. But who finished work before?
Sir, what is this? That is you, sir.
Who was more irritating, sir? Oh, he's come on set. My mood is spoiled.
Sir, what is this? No, sir.
But just tell me, I want to know how was the experience working with Salman? Now, without joking, seriously.
See, we've not worked after Andaz Apna Apna.
हाँ, हम लोग को 25 साल हो गए.
Yeah, 25 years. So we also want to know.
I want to know how it is to work with him again. So how was the experience working?
Sir, working with him is very good experience with him, sir.
Yeah. What are the main things about him you felt while working with him?
So he has a separate aura. So he is very good. That heroic. So Salman sir
Presence.
is presence. When he comes to set, we can feel it. So like that. So.
Audience wants to see him as their hero. So it doesn't matter which personality, like whether it's Bajrangi Bhaijaan,
Correct.
whether it's Sultan, they want to see him as a hero.
Yeah, that's
Or
true.
they
Correct,
don't like
correct.
to see him anything other than a hero.
Yeah.
Someone who can look after
Correct.
people.
Correct. Yeah, larger than life.
larger than life. Someone who can protect.
Yeah.
They like to see him like that.
Correct.
And that's what he made.
That's what you mean.
It's basically जो मेरी genre का film है,
हाँ.
but थोड़ी सी sensibilities वगैरह
हाँ.
इनकी आ गई, तो story अलग है, but वो heroism, वो mass, वो एक emotion, humor,
Correct.
वो सब intact है.
तेरा experience कैसा रहा?
मेरा
सर के साथ
experience-
काम करके.
मेरा experience सर के साथ काम करके.
कैसा रहा?
सर की picture है यार.
हाँ.
वो picture बहुत अच्छी बनाई है. तो experience बहुत अच्छा ही होगा. Wrong?
What is saying, sir?
He had a good
I'm
experience.
saying I'll show you what my experience working with you is. This is my experience working with you.
तो मैंने नोटिस किया था कि ये एकदम ऐसा इसका फिल्टर नहीं है. If I give him an idea and he didn't like it, yes, very bad. Face used to go like that. So when Salman gives suggestion, same way without filter, you tell him also.
You should ask him, sir.
हाँ? ये without filter करता है तेरे सामने कि filter लगाता है. I think in front of Salman you are putting filter. You are putting filter in front of Salman.
What suggestion? What suggestion? He's a good man. He gets upset also, and then he's like, inside.
But that's a remarkable quality. He's got a very childlike excitement about getting the film right.
No, see, he's very interested in the kind of work that he wants to do. Very passionate.
And very clear what he wants.
Yeah. And then if you suggest something and it makes sense to him, in a second he will take it.
Correct. Yeah, that I agree.
If I just, because language is a little bit problem, okay? So then he has just to understand. Sometimes he's taught in Tamil, okay? Tamil, that dialogue is a super hit dialogue, okay? But it loses the charm in translation.
Correct.
So now in that dialogue here, and then becomes a cliche dialogue. So then our job is to just slightly give it a edge, that punch on it. So that when he understands the punch, he says, superb, go ahead, do it. Or when he says, no, this is the way I want it. Wow.
Screenplay, he pays a lot of attention.
Yeah. And what he's shooting and his cutaways are amazing. So we've shot our scene and gone. And after that, he's taken these close-ups and he's taken that and he's, taken this insert. So all that makes the scene. There's a whole rally sequence that I've done in the film. I'm sitting in a taxi only. And ird-gird mein jo ho raha hai, wo to obviously I didn't even know when I saw it. So, wow. Yeah. That whole rally sequence and that.
So you remember Ghajini had released and Ghajini had become a big success.
Yes, sir.
And we had a success party. Salman had come.
Yeah.
And he had gifted me 2 paintings which he had made.
Yes.
Of
You kept in the...
I've got it at home.
Yeah.
दो paintings बनाई थी Salman.
Yes.
Really beautiful.
Yeah, sir. The shaved head.
Yeah. So what is the main thrust of the story, sir?
Here, husband and wife love, that affection will be fresh for that.
How nice.
Basically,
इसका emotion बहुत strong होता है.
Yeah, राजा की कहानी है. राजा मतलब कि ब्राह्मणी हाथ ही वैसे.
Right.
You know, and जहाँ पर भी जाओ, king is always going to be a king. उस type का concept.
Yeah.
Wherever he goes, he's going to be a king. So, lot of action,
Yes.
lot of emotion, twists and turns.
Your film is releasing.
Yes, sir.
What is the date of the release, sir?
This month 30th.
30th.
Yes.
Salman, 30th को release हो रही है. So what are your emotions and feelings just before the release? What are your feelings right now?
So same like Gajini. So before 1 week you will be that
Very
hard.
stressed.
Yeah, yeah. The release is.
मुझे टेंशन होती है?
मुझे नहीं होता,
नहीं?
मुझे नहीं होता. ये काम कर लिया. Now, see, our work was till the time we finished the film. Now our work has extended to making people aware that this film is coming on such and such day. Once that is over and you've given it your best, उसके बाद, you know, you get the film. Then that film has its own destiny. The film has its own journey.
Lot of expectations, sir, from audience.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Eagerly awaiting your film with Salman. And so are we. सलीम साहब को बुलाएं. आदाब सलीम साहब. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं सिकंदर की जो फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है सलमान और मुर्गदास की. तो किसी भी फिल्म, कोई भी फिल्म हो, उसकी प्री रिलीज के जब रिलीज होने आती है तो जाहिर है डायरेक्टर और पूरा कास्ट और क्रू स्ट्रेस होता है, उनको नर्वसनेस होती है, फिल्म चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, क्या ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन होगा. तो ऐसे मोमेंट पे आप हम लोगों को क्या एडवाइस देंगे?
देखिए, कोई भी काम करें आप, कोई भी, तो एक नर्वसनेस शुरू में होती है. उसमें तो ये नहीं कि सर मुझे ये हो रही है. दैट्स द ह्यूमन
टेंडेंसी.
हाँ, तो लेते हैं, तो वो तो है. तो अगर ये सोच के चलो कि सबको होता है, हम भी हो रहा है.
I'm not alone. पिक्चर देखी आपने?
अभी वाली.
हाँ अभी वाली.
देखी.
कैसी लगी आपको?
एक्चुअली तो बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट है दैट के जो इसके बाद क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा, आप क्या करते हैं
जी.
यू नो ऑल दैट. हाँ, इफ यू होल्ड क्या यहाँ रुक गए, देन
सिकंदर अच्छा टाइटल है.
Yes.
इट्स अ ग्रेट टाइटल.
Sajid sir, producer Sajid sir.
अच्छा, साजिद
Yes.
has suggested the name.
Yes, sir.
Sajid, and you are working after Kick.
After Kick, yeah.
How is it working with Sajid here?
Amazing.
Huh? He's a
Amazing.
good producer.
I think he's one of the better producers there. He knows his job. He knows means like वो साजिद उस टाइप का प्रोड्यूसर है ना कि एक्टर सेट पे आता था तो बैग दिखाते थे कि पैसे आ गए. So the actor used to finish his work and go over, and Sajid before pack up is good. Next day वापस से बैग.
मिलेंगे नहीं.
So
How was your experience working with Sajid?
Very good.
Yeah, he's a good producer.
First I narrated
हाँ.
so he liked it.
Right.
Then we came
To Salman.
Yeah. Yes.
No, और साजिद का जो प्लॉट का सेंस है ना बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा है. एंड और हर जॉनर की बना रहा है वो. कॉमेडी भी बना रहा है, हाउसफुल बना रहा है,
Mouthful, हाँ.
And music
फिर वो
sense.
आगे भी बना रहा है वो.
Music.
फिर दिस आल्सो.
सिकंदर भी, हाँ.
सो म्यूजिक का सेंस भी अच्छा है. कंप्लीट ऑलराउंडर. देखो जब एक आदमी आता है इंडस्ट्री में एक्टर बनने के लिए एंड देन ही डिसाइड्स कि एक्टर नहीं बनूंगा, आई विल बिकम अ प्रोड्यूसर. ओके, सो देन उसमें वो हीरोइज्म वाली बात, बिकॉज ही आल्सो
Feels that.
आई इफ आई was in the film industry, I would have liked to be portrayed like this. So then he knows that hero, what is heroism and what is emotion. And I think as soon as we grow older, you know, emotion थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आने लगता है. You know, आँखों में आंसू थोड़ी सी जल्दी आ जाती हैं. You know, sir, and small things also make you really happy. So I think that is a very good touching point for the audience.
Yeah. So Sajid has a good sense.
And इस film में we have everything for everyone.
Right.
We have it for the heroes, we have it for the wives, we have it for the girlfriends. तो हर एक के लिए इस फिल्म में हर एक जॉनर के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है. ईद की भी रिलीज है, स्क्रिप्ट भी अच्छी है, एक्शन भी बहुत तगड़ा है, you know, गाने भी बहुत अच्छे हो गए हैं. So everything is like a whole complete package.
Yeah.
ये आपको हीरोइज्म भी देगी ये फिल्म, या आपको रुलाएगी भी ये फिल्म, या आपको एक एलिवेट भी करेगी फिल्म.
What is Salman's favorite film? of yours जो सलमान ने की?
ये सलमान की सब में से फिल्म ये अपना ये
बजरंगी।
बजरंगी भाईजान।
बजरंगी भाई,
बजरंगी भाईजान
बजरंगी भाईजान में काम भी बहुत अच्छा किया,
बहुत कमाल का काम,
बहुत अच्छा काम किया और पिक्चर भी बहुत अच्छी।
बहुत अच्छी बनी यार। और मेरी फिल्मों से आपको मेरी कौन सी फिल्म पसंद है?
आपकी फिल्मों में जैसे मुझे जो फिल्में अच्छी जो लगी हैं वो
लगान।
हाँ
लगान
लगान
बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है। लगान बहुत अच्छी थी।
बहुत अच्छी, बहुत से उसमें ऐसे नई बातें थी कि जो पहले नहीं हुई थी।
जी
हाँ।
अभी एक और कर रहे हैं, अभी रिलीज हो जाएगी इनकी,
सितारे ज़मीन।
सितारे
का सीक्वल है।
बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, मैंने सुनी है इनकी।
कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
फिल्म बनाने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही रीजन चाहिए कि आई हैव गॉट
Script.
Great script.
वेयर आई पुट माय
लाइफ ऑन इट।
अभी इस पिक्चर में सिकंदर में आपके 2 डायलॉग डाले हो मैंने। एक तो ये दीवार का कोई अमिताभ बच्चन नहीं है जो फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता वो डाला है, और फिर एक और डाला है कि कि आप हमें बाहर ढूंढ रहे हो और हम आपके घर में आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं। दोनों दीवार के ही हैं। थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट देकर।
So sir, 30th of March,
Yes, sir.
full excitement.
Yes.
We are all excited, sir. It will be Eid also.
Yeah.
It will be a lovely occasion to watch
Yes.
Salman back in the theaters. I'm fully ready to enjoy. Sir, you know when I go to see his films, you know I take a whistle with me.
Oh.
मेरे को पता है क्योंकि मेरे को सीटी मारना नहीं आती।
Take-
I want to whistle, I can't whistle, so I take a prrrr.
लड़कियों का
हाँ?
लड़कियों का आसपास रखे
सीटी मारने के लिए।
अपना तस्वीर किया जाए।
So all the very best, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I think the audience and the public are really looking forward and they're waiting for this film.
Thanks.
And Salman, all the best, man.
Thank you. And it's really sweet of him. I just spoke to him. ऐसे यार कुछ इसके ऊपर कुछ करना है थोड़ा सा सिकंदर के ऊपर ऐसे because you know you worked with Murga Dost and I'm working with him right now. In a second he says कि tomorrow 1:30 we'll do it. Very nice of him.
But all the very best, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
all the best, Salman.
Thanks.
Super hit होगी. Break all records.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.